So this is Sunday evening in Lamai, and we are right at the Lamai Inn 99. The Lamai Inn 99 opened the coffee during the pandemic. The sea walk coffee place with a nice yellow color. Of course, you can have a beer, coffee, and some dessert. As you can see, there are more people right now. The Siwalati Beach and Eatery. So this is Sunday evening. I don't know if you can see over there, but much more people now. So of course, it's still not a normal situation, but much better again than what it was a few weeks, even a few months ago, of course. Here you have the hippie bar. It has been open for quite long now, I think a year, because they opened during the pandemic, and they are doing beach volley every evening. So this is Vita who is coming now. I'm just making a quick video because we were taking a coffee as we wanted to have a late swim today. The weather is really nice for a few days now. Already a week that we have nice weather, that the sea is much more quiet. Vita is right here. So there is beach volley just right in the front of the hippie bar. Who is gonna win the point? It's inside. So on Sunday there is usually a lot of people walking on the beach, even both tourists and Thai people, local, like to have a walk in the late afternoon.
Now it's got sunset.
Yeah, we start to have sunset colors, but it's a bit cloudy tonight. It was really blue sky all day long, but tonight start to be cloudy.
Oh, it's maybe it's closed. It still didn't open.
Yeah. So all the restaurants, a part of EP Beach Bar, all the restaurants here are still closed. But the Hive, which was the Lamai Venta resort right here, now it's called the Hive, is open for quite long now. And it's a SHA Plus hotel. And there are some people in the Hive.
Interesting. How many days? You can ask other lady works how many of them.
Yeah, like in my previous videos, I telling you that a lot of Thai ladies likes to try to find shells in the sand, especially when the tide is going down. So you can easily find shells right in the sand. And so they are collecting these shells to put in the salad or even in the papaya salad. Cheers. Okay, all right, so it was the center of Lamai Beach on this Sunday evening. We will try, guys, to make more videos, I promise. We will try to walk. Let's to go have a walk in Chaweng and maybe a riding by bike around Lamai, Chaweng and the fisherman village in Boput, even Bangrak. I will try to make more videos. We are quite busy, and so it was really nice for us during February, and also January, February and part of March were not like perfect months, but were much better than what it was. So we were busy a bit, and we promise, guys, to make more videos really soon. So please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You have the link in the description of the video, and see you on the next video, guys.